ahensan road bi eno so ese Akufo Addo na aye me say adan kra na ekosui atonsu kwan ne nyina ese for aha Ghana 7 TV GH mesra or like a comment a subscribing never notification so turning on so that anytime you post video be say we will start make a be me bedu akra na ani
Okay.
For the past 3 days time Kumasi.
Okay.
And boys you go do Kumasi na afa dey only say jama Voltarian maba Kumasi say me ko chili kakra me na say me ko chinchim afa dey ye fa kwan we so a me ko ti a si Akufo Addo na ye he fa na say Akufo Addo na ye he fa na say Akufo Addo me say debut o Akufo Addo dey here na Akufo Addo na say be Akufo Addo fufuro bia na e say Akufo Addo na Akufo Addo asokwa road nyina asokwa honum uko ho a ese Akufo Addo na ye ese ahensan road bi eno so ese Akufo Addo na ye me say adan kra na ekosui atonsu kwan ne nyina ese Akufo Addo na ye na me say me hu say Akufo Addo aye wenyina na ye nuanu ma mo Ashanti Region Akufo Addo anya hwia na oh debi afede ofri Kumasi banso no ebisa esi konongo eko bebi no Akufo Addo na yeye ama some my side ni na double lane ni na no Akufo Addo na yeye enti erade mboayo say Akufo Addo within 8 years we just Kumasi nkwan enye say Ashanti Region ni now that side of Kumasi nkwan na me say Akufo Addo timi ye we nyina. And I remember, say 2 years ago, me call baby or Isiru Jeffrey called New Abram, honum nyina. Me call no. The driver was telling me, say if there is one thing about Kai NPP for, and say New Abram kwanya Akufo Addo yema. And one thing I can say is say Akufo Addo ban impact ne there. Every place, every single constituency, ewo or manwemu has felt the effect of Akufo Addo. Me name about Nsawam there, Muho there, but I'm sure say by all means 1 kilometer do or there Nsawam.
Nsawam met makase over 21 kilometers.
Wow.
Kilometers. Yeah. Nsawam. Nyasem ketwa.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And yes, Akufo Addo one best say a because we can prove, we can pinpoint to the things that Akufo Addo has done. Me and me free who double a 2 in 2 out from Sokode to who in Akufo Addo na ye. No question me say one day you know we will remember Akufo Addo and me banyina na make say make our best to say Akufo Addo there yankai na asere ebe kai na esu. Because the man, he did his best. Me because but he did his best for Ghana. Now, on him say, uko bebina unya uko sorry kana unya pastors bebria ombe preaching. Pastor bia onni nyanya sempa be preach wie na ofri wona obi fufuro ba onim hwe no. Eya de ne ye boring kakra. Oju say papa then put in person oka then oka, and that is what is happening to us see am here Ghana and that John Mahama who near John Mahama person ochire you don't get it say Oga venue say person here then you don't understand it. Akufo Addo the year of rose by nim pass say year of road there everywhere you can see something happening. Who do see big push no ye hu hwe by 4 months near na omko land here very 24-hour economy 4 months new she in koso. And what at all is happening in this government? They say in autopilot mode. Autopilot they say the plane to sana sometimes they do altitude be a cruising altitude now pilots in and now my gym now mother kakra so the computer be jumanu say Ghana no there you need pilot be abio. And that is why I say in sorry choosing a demonstration. We the NPP for demonstration. A Ghana for demonstration.
Yeah.
Just 9 months, we borrowed 10 billion. 10 billion. Mudi year there and to me. Under John Mahama administration, we say there money in now menstruate once in a year. Wow, school kwande, government school kwande, menses remember once in a year. And your mama government no. Says I am person much there.
Yeah.
So dia
Yeah.
udi yesika koto pad na pad uche no once in a year. She say ko no once pen na woman straight. Yes sir.
Yeah.
Your mama government
Yeah.
no kwano no. As a horror
Yeah.
movie bia ye nyina ye act.
Oh.
Na say ye acting horror movie mpo a. Say actors ye tia omuka. Liluwin o ye
Oh.
o twa movie a twa no ka. Enti be twa ye
Oh.
kai. Enti see ye da ye nda. Ye da ye nda. Last no man
Ebiano omo create content so we are TikTok so. O money ya na eche.
Erade. Eto last minute papa bi ka papa say the ohun ni ire kwa na ne bufu. Ohun ni ire na ne bufu. Adan ya oseni skama ni ire so nkoto aba ma NPP. O friend ni ire ni so nkoto aba no. Say what them say people be win ntia. Eje people nya lose we ya na. Afa de bufu nkwa. Because amine enkoye kra. And I'm happy at what Yenua Dennis ni Poyando double salute to them. Omoya dear papa. Say Felix for say Felix Ofosu Kwache on Nwani hometown. On Nwani hometown omuko
Yeah.
Nwani hometown. Before 2024 July pictures. Any September 2025 pictures you say Galamsey for aba kromamba. Galamsey aba no. Omaba. Na voice na ekọ so the esrekwa because say there what to make us say yeah you vote Accra you say na you feel say background say na kai fire ho na mo east ni greater Accra ni Ashanti ni bolemu munko ntokwa say there yes you what I say any Daniel
Oh.
you sure about that region yeah
Say tilapia
yes
kwa ni save bi mo. Tilapia
yes it's not safe it's last obi frame is there oko do asikuma on touch like be bremian am say bread debi tilapia no efani o enye safe beyond voice enye safe now the only option we have they say maybe we'll go to fish farming fish pond and also the enye safe esan say nyama bia omdi ma fish no ema omunyi ntem enti enye safe ma ye for your consumption boni ben kra boni ben. Say about to back where you got 2 years and say the horror movie voice say omudi content creation or TikTok rather uju wa won't say
in the numbers na ekokoto abane edema Dr. Mahmoud Baumia obaya nkadame nsɔhwɛ yɛ kɔmi na nkɔyɛ dan onko na tu no da yene communication director which is Dennis Abuaji Kojina, one of our villages our central region Agona East one about Felix for Sukwachi new constituency Lekade. The na Raven Widen. Why? The Mazi na you be or NDC for an abroad. And they were even insulting a Nanado no na WCC. Nature so also no the Dr. Mam a Nanada Akufo Addo on declare state of emergency and up to now Yashwe Nima down and come poor but power and Kubutu we declare state of emergency. Share Galamsey name Yanka de Galamsey no bia and yet Galamsey you them painful baby where Galamsey no. But why they on NDC for about power no Galamsey sister why extend it the Galamsey na a waste.
Yeah.
Why waste to call any money? Even ever central agencies have been mommy way. You use you and I pay
Moya de survival. And here for no to say mono. Yeah, moya de survival. Oh.
this year, right? And I pay them got toy into such as one.
Oh.
Into such as one a Michim because because I pay one baby and to be sorry and me use half of the water is in 15 pieces. Make sure you go and the medical jar. And then resume you see 15 pieces. Me a bear mouth, just imagine some mom ma. Me na can be into sometimes if you are speaking me central region, then I may use fancy, me the castle loud, MIP for no. And it's like the support that other people let me use that as an example like Ashanti region, let me use my brother a fancy comedy and my mom Sister Kisu
Nana
and
Jollof.
oh, you see them, the way they are getting support from on the Omo Ashanti region and your central region. But when you go and say like this situation is this situation, this you'll be like no, Omo Kasa. One of my me, I got support from that above Ashanti region. Oh, I got support from that place by to central region. One of my friend came, he started this. I say Omo Kasa no. We are speaking loud. Me perceive by Monday, Tuesday. Me man ka Tuesday for demonstration on kwan. I'm there by ejuma saminti. By me bombo ni akọ Agona East one. Ne akọ makọ share there ekọ so. It seems like NDC for na ye aban o say anka yere. It's just almost. They are destroying everything. And J Nana the Chrome one me one constituency. You're the vice president no. Obebe your vice president this year. New chrome new class one. O man to me a man even so or your buying mother but to me be a vice president. Sister one man or buying ma. Ugu nuko a quino room. Come and see my town down here. A quino say poto. O man to me and casa because of she being the vice president in tea. Omoko guna quino inti. Yaka KE constituency and it's our late professor Atamis near Benman Prof A Samuel Atamis. Oh ye MP wadi with the MP 2 good years. Over a MP who have been your common jaws my buying the power. This is one by
So
now.
and the 1 minute now do one way why?
Okay, one by now or power now so we shall maybe be a cousin. Why did intimate the main person be concluding in an say. We mean person me pese ye be blame you obi a ye blame ye ye wa ye blame.
So Enra, Nanado Danko Akufo Addo, Achere NPP delegates, Nipa Abomonto Abama no. Nipa Omunyi no be flag bearer of NPP ahead of election 2028. Na Nanado one can't send direct to. But a nyansa pa watchere to wokufu. Na me say, anadwumuni nyina ma dwere ho. Before I was able to decode this, Charlie. Now me person me know what chess I say but before then no. Yentie Nanado, we are nyabotre ne bra. Na me nkyerɛkyerɛ mo nsɛm ni mu. Nanado ne benyansafo ne kasa yo. Nti bra na me nkyerɛkyerɛ mo mu.
Adwuma NPP aban bɛyɛ me breso ne Kufuor breso. Bɛyɛ mu bi enrefi. Ne dɔso pa. Na saba adwuma yɛyɛ no ɛne ebegyina so akɔakɔgye tumi no 2028. Adwuma no ne ɛba abegyina so akɔakɔgye aban no 2028.
Nana say 2028 elections are here going. Yeah, the President Akufo Addo Mahama achievement. Anyone know Nanado Bahomia achievement and a better campaign aji to me. Na no kure wa se mi mu ne say. Yeah, the Nanane Bahomia achievement na better campaign pa aji to me because and only the most recent and relevant to 2028 elections no. Na sa nyansa pa Nanado wachichiri to win. Entire mu mienu ne wom. Na nya abotre me ba bebie mu na mama wanya mu ntiase. Ne edi kan Nanado ka kire NPP for say we ye delegate na akoto aba na to aba ma Dr. Bahomia asemu a wo ka kire MPP for ne say mo ma Dr. Bahomia nya mo flag bearer na njire mu ni ye say ananse gofia ye mbusa ne onyo ne tentan say Nanado ne Bahomia achievement ne begina so de aye campaign in 2028 elections na nipa wodi ba no wo Nanado aban mu eye Dr. Bahomia no no na nam no so ma majority of these achievements yetimi nya ye dia na ne as a right thinking party no ni person ye presenting no eye Dr. Bahomia Nanado is on record video ample evidence ewo ho ama Ghana for ni MPP for ye nyamu nti asesem majority of the achievement fiti agenda 111 one constituency one ambulance paperless post system medical drone delivery service direct machines eye Dr. Bahomia na nam ne so Emma ne baye. Se sa nipa ne ewo ho no ma. Eba ne se na MPP ye sign ne ho. Ekofo obi a onni masem no ho maache. Obi a wo no o se party no government no won ka ho. Ye kofa sa nipa kono se ombedi yanim. Obe ne ya kirikire mu mpo. Ne etoso mienu. Nanado ka kire mo se. So obi be ka kire wo se Dr. Bahomia mo fa ne nsi nkyenya. Sa nipa kono mo nto abantia no. Obi be ka kire wo se Dr. Bahomia feli ye enti mumfa nsi a nkyenya sa nipa kono monto abantia no because Wobia wobeka kire say Dr. Bawumia fanisi nchen bia indict the achievement of Akufo Addo. Attack the achievement of Akufo Addo. Attack the very basis, the very achievement that the 2028 elections. No? That is simply what the person is doing. And you see, NPP, Dr. Bawumia and Addo achievement, 2028 elections are yekono. And to say you see 2-story building, now you see foundation any ground level. Now you pay me sinyamana twaso. Se will be the country or send you will see foundation no any ground level no. And your papa na say buna. When you say Sandy Park no, one pay we one pay what kind ko. Because who did to me a shen and sam. And here fa and I walk akosi first floor nesi. Wabra we bubu foundation in ground level no. Inti asema nanado can say will be a walk say Dr. Bawumia Fili yes Sandy Park no. He cannot use NPP achievement. Achieving in the last 8 years to campaign in